Bonjour à tous! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. This time we'll continue our identity. Okay, we have telephone. Telephone. Here we have telephone na cell phone and we have also telephone na landline, okay? At home. Okay, so we have do telephone. Téléphone. Example. Mon téléphone est le 09 12 34 56 78 9. Mon téléphone est le 09 12 34 56 78 9. This is only an example. Thank you po. Pakiulit. Téléphone. The proper pronunciation is téléphone. Merci beaucoup. So let's continue with numéro de téléphone. Numéro de téléphone. Okay? So, quel est ton numéro de téléphone? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? What is your phone number? Okay? What is your phone number? Okay? Numéro de téléphone. Numero ng telepono. Okay? Pakiulit lang po, please. Merci beaucoup. So, it rhymes. No problem. It's just the same. Only the pronunciation. Okay? Thank you po. We have also adresse email. Adresse email. Okay? Email address. Okay? Donc, mon email adresse est malto joseph.david @gmail.com. Malto David at is @gmail.com. Okay? So, adresse email. Email address. Pwede din po yun. It's also the same. Merci. Next, we have photo d'identité ou passeport. Photo is the same picture, no? But the identity is identity. But we have passeport. Why? Because pass is to pass. You pass, dadaan. And porte, P-O-R-T-E, porte is a door. Donc, where do you pass? You pass in a door. Donc, it's called passeport. Okay? So, we call that passeport. Passeport. Okay? Ma photo d'identité est sur mon passeport. Ma photo d'identité est sur mon passeport. Okay? Pakiulit lang po. Photo d'identité, passeport. Merci. Next, we have the taille. Taille. Okay? Taas or tangkad. Okay? Your height. So, sa taille est de 1m70. 1m70. Okay? His height is 1 meter and 70 centimeters. Okay? 1m70. Taille. Taille. Please repeat. Thank you po. Next, we have the color of eyes and the color of your hair. Okay? In French, it's couleur des yeux ou couleur de cheveux. Cheveux. Okay? Cheveux. Okay? The couleur de mes yeux est marron. My eye color is brown. But here, there are different colors of the eyes here. There are blue, green, gray. Okay? And then we have the color. La couleur de mes cheveux sont noirs. My hair color is black. La couleur de mes cheveux sont noirs. Cheveux. Okay, cheveux. Okay, please be careful with the pronunciation of hair. Cheveux. Parce que si c'est un autre, it will become a horse or horses. Okay, cheveux. Okay, cheveux. Okay, thank you po. Merci beaucoup. Next, we have nationality. Nationality. Nationalidad po, no? Your nationality. Sa nationality is Philippine. His nationality is Filipino. And me, my nationality is Filipino. Ma nationality is Philippine because ma is feminine. We have masculine and feminine, okay? Ma nationality is Philippine. Et vous? And you? What is your nationality? Okay. Thank you. Nationality. We have the date de naissance o araw ng kapanganakan, your date of birth. As you can see here, it's different. We start with the day, month, and year. In Philippines, it's the reverse, okay? We have the month, the day, and the year. It depends. So here is the day, month, and year. Example, ma date de naissance est le 28 mai 2000. Ma date de naissance est le 28 mai 2000. My date of birth is May 28, 2000. Okay? That is date de naissance, your birthday. Date de naissance. In English, is date of birth. Here is date de naissance. Okay? Can you please repeat? Date de naissance. Merci po. And last is the signature. Signature in English, but en français, c'est signature. Signature, OK? Sa signature est sur le document. Sa signature est sur le document. His signature is on the document. Okay? Lagda po yan. Okay? So, wag pong kalimutang i-like, subscribe at i-comment at samahan niyo po ako sa susunod nating lesson. Okay, merci beaucoup et à bientôt!